what is the difference between wedding style, the fashion stylist and fashion designer?
Basically, designer is someone who designs the outfits, and stylist is someone who designs the whole look for them.
Is it also related to makeup, hair, accessories?
We finalize looks, we at least take out references के क्या makeup होना चाहिए और क्या hair होना चाहिए.
How these trends work? Like, what is trending now, and how do you tackle these kind of things?
I suggest not to go with the trends क्योंकि trends change होते रहते हैं. Yes, क्योंकि आजकल social media की वजह से everyone has eyes on what people are doing.
And any celebrity have you styled?
Maharashtrian celebrities.
Oh wow.
Marathi celebrities. I have done styling for Akshaya Devdhar. I have done styling for Abhidnya Bhave, which were trending for a long time because अलग-अलग styling किया था उसके.
What are the misconception people have about your profession? Because this is a very new profession, if I have to say.
Once again, this is Ritesh Latta. हम आप लोगों के लिए काफी informative and exciting content लेके आ रहे हैं. We have invited a lot of wedding experts, and we'll make sure that we'll keep these videos short. Chale, let's go.
Okay, so when you say that one should not follow the trend, okay, rather go with what suits you and what will look good on you. But what happens is, like, normally many of the brides would like to go with the trend because they think, okay, this is trending, and now these days, everything happens for Instagram.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. People want to be viral on Instagram. People see, okay, what is trending on Instagram. So, and what is that Kiara has, won, or what Alia has done for her wedding. So they want to repeat that, or they want to do that.
Yeah.
So how do you manage that keeping the trend and their personality intact and, do a fusion? How obviously, because this is something which is very challenging for you. So how do you do that?
अगर किसी को ट्रेंड्स फॉलो ही करने हैं, then we make sure that the trend मतलब क्या कहते हैं उसको कि थोड़ा सा उसमें जुगाड़ कर हम क्लाइंट को बोलते हैं कि you can do something like this and incorporate the trend at the same time. Because I'll tell you, the biggest trend that is happening right now is fish cut, जो कि बहुत टाइट होता है and then flares up in the bottom. तो वो लुक हर किसी पे नहीं अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज एक तो इंडियन बॉडी टाइप इज अ पेयर बॉडी टाइप जो कि हिप्स हैवी बॉडी टाइप जिसको कहते हैं. तो आपका हिप अगर दिख रहा है पूरा तो इट डज नॉट लुक गुड ऑन यू. सो एज आई सेड कि इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग ट्रेंड्स इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम बट देयर आर सच ट्रेंड्स कि मतलब वो एक पर्टिकुलर बॉडी टाइप बिल्कुल पहन नहीं सकता है क्योंकि इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू लुक गुड. सो ऐसे टाइप में फिर कुछ जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है कि कुछ ट्रेल दे दिया so that the hips are covered, but you can do jugads.
Okay, so do you remember any such incident where bride wanted a particular thing and you knew that this will not go good with her, and how do you tackle that?
To be honest, मेरे पास आज तक ऐसा भी एक भी bride और groom नहीं आया है who has not trusted the instincts that I have.
Okay.
To be honest, क्योंकमतलब they have hired me because they know कि ये सब कुछ सही होने वाला है या द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग टू गो स्मूथ. तो टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई कैन नॉट से कि ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंस हुआ है मेरे साथ. यूजुअली द क्लाइंट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस एंड वी गो अहेड विद इट.
That's really good.
Yeah.
So when the client trusts you and they go with your instinct, then nothing better than that happens.
Yes.
Because they know and that it will look good on them, and on the particular day they will feel more better. They will look better, they will feel better. So one more query which I have, which I normally see people, as we were talking about trends and all, कि trends लोग follow करते हैं. आपने बताया कि कैसे आप उसके साथ जुगाड़ करके ट्वीक करके चीजें कर देती हो. तो ऐसा भी होता होगा कि क्लाइंट आता है, उनको कुछ नहीं पता है because they don't know anything about what's going on, what is happening in the world. They're in their own world only.
Yes.
Okay? Which they have some different vision for themselves, which is, how do you handle that kind of thing? Okay, are these the easy client for you? कि चलो इनको कुछ पता नहीं, इनको simple जो चाहिए उनको दे दो. So how do you tackle that?
ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है.
Okay.
So I have मतलब यूजुअली कैसे होता है कि everyone has a vision for the wedding.
Okay.
no one comes with a blank slate कि मतलब चलो आए लिया काम खत्म किया. So people are usually aware what they want to do.
Okay.
वो कैसे करना है उनको पता नहीं है, but they are aware कि मतलब और महाराष्ट्रियन वेडिंग्स का कैसे होता है कि there are some things that are very basic कि मतलब विधि है तो उनको नौवारी पहनना है, फिर मंगलाष्टक होते हैं उसमें उनको येलो साड़ी पहननी होती है बिकॉज वो मामा की तरफ से आती है. सो देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स की जो ऑलरेडी मतलब डिसाइडेड है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू वर्क अराउंड कि मतलब ये लुक अलग कैसे लगेगा.
करेक्ट.
सो नो वन कम्स विद अ ब्लैंक स्लेट. एवरीवन हैज सम आइडिया इन माइंड कि मतलब ये करना है या वो करना है. फिर उसका जो उनका जो विजन है देन यू कैन टेल देम कि अगर ये ऐसा है तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. But usually people don't come with a blank slate. They usually have a lot of ideas in their mind. बस वो कैसे करना है उनको समझ में नहीं आता है.
Okay. So and when bride and groom comes to you together, if they come to you together, like they tell you कि हमको styling करना है, तो ये क्या ट्रेंड मतलब ये कैसा चलता है कि they want to like normally bride and groom color coded पहनते हैं या completely contrast पहनते हैं, कैसा normally चलता है अभी?
We do not suggest doing contrasts.
Okay.
क्योंकि जब फोटोज आते हैं तो वो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. और कॉन्ट्रास्ट होता भी है तो कैसे होता है कि देयर इज अ शेड ऑफ हॉट पिंक, मतलब हॉट पिंक लहंगा है तो विद दैट यू कैन डू अ गोल्ड, बट देन इन दैट गोल्ड यू विल हैव सम एलिमेंट ऑफ पिंक. तो दैट इज हाउ वी कोऑर्डिनेट इवन इफ इट्स अ कॉन्ट्रास्ट.
करेक्ट.
हर चीज आप सेम कलर का भी नहीं कर सकते. मतलब इफ द ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम इज वेयरिंग लाइट पिंक दोनों ने पहना है तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
करेक्ट.
तो थोड़ा सा कलर अलग हम करते हैं. मतलब इफ द ब्राइड इज वेयरिंग लाइट पिंक द ग्रूम कैन वेयर अ लिटिल डार्कर पिंक. तो जब वो फोटोज में आता है इट लुक्स मच बेटर. सो यूजुअली कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड और कहीं ना कहीं उसका थोड़ा सा कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है.
क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि कुछ कलर्स जो होते हैं वो कलर्स आर ब्राइट कलर, मतलब वो ग्रूम पहनेगा तो शायद सारे ग्रूम पे वो अच्छा नहीं लगता, अच्छा ना लगे. तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है कि अगर जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि ब्राइड को एक किसी फंक्शन में येलो साड़ी पहननी है, तो वो टाइम पे फिर ग्रूम क्या पहने?
उस टाइम पे व्हाट वी डू इज कि ब्राइड के साड़ी में और एक कलर एडिशन डाल देते हैं. या उसका शेला का कलर अलग कर देते हैं.
ओके.
तो एंड दैट शेला वी कोऑर्डिनेट विद द ग्रूम.
ओके.
तो या उसने लाइट कलर की साड़ी पहनी है लाइक द येलो, तो कुर्ता लाइट येलो कलर का पहन लेते हैं या शेरवानी लाइट कलर में पहन लेते हैं. सो आई जस्ट फील कि जब फोटोज दिखते हैं तो वो ज्यादा अच्छे दिखते हैं. बिकॉज इफ यू आर वेयरिंग डार्क ग्रीन एंड इवन द ग्रूम इज वेयरिंग डार्क ग्रीन तो वो साथ में आता है तो इट डज नॉट लुक दैट ग्रेट.
करेक्ट.
बट इफ देयर इज अ लिटिल लाइटर कलर की डार्क ग्रीन पहना है उसके साथ लाइट ग्रीन पहना है तो इट लुक्स मच बेटर.
ओके. व्हाट आर द मिसकंसेप्शन पीपल हैव अबाउट योर प्रोफेशन? बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी न्यू प्रोफेशन if I have to say, not like 10 years before I don't know people were reaching out to you as people are reaching out to you.
Yes.
Right? So what are the misconception people have about this profession?
The funniest one is कि इसका काम बहुत अच्छा है, इसको बस शॉपिंग के लिए जाना है हर को 6. That is one misconception that people have. And actually that is like it's not a misconception, but हाँ मतलब I do shopping for people. That is something I enjoy doing for people. But हाँ, I think this is the only misconception people have कि काम बहुत आसान है, इसको तो बस शॉपिंग जाना है. That is the only misconception that people have about me.
People don't confuse themselves in stylist and designer कि अच्छा इसको हायर कर लिया तो हमारे कपड़े भी यही डिजाइन कर देगी. ऐसा भी होता है?
नहीं,
ऐसा नहीं होता.
नहीं, because बताते टाइम ही people ask me कि what you do. So once we clarify on what we do, they understand that these are completely different fields. Designer के पास बहुत लोग जाते हैं ये बोल के कि हमारा styling भी कर दो. But again, designers say कि that is not their forte.
Okay.
Designing is their forte. तो yes, it is vice versa. मतलब designers को भी लोग बोलते हैं styling करने के लिए. But I have not come across anyone saying कि आप मेरे लिए कुछ design कर दो.
Okay. So I think I understand that your field or your particular expertise or profession is so niche that very few people who know about this, they only reach out to you.
Yes.
So for example, if I do not know what a fashion stylist will do in my wedding, and I don't know what is the job, or maybe I don't know that whether these kind of terms exist or not,
yeah,
I may not even reach out to you, right?
Yes.
So people who come to you, they are well aware about what you do.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's a good thing, because when your client is aware that what you are doing, so it makes your life easy and their life easy. Otherwise, there is a lot of confusion, right?
Yes.
Okay.
और पुणे का मार्केट भी थोड़ा छोटा है. So there are not a lot of stylists that are there in Pune, to be honest.
Okay.
But if you see Delhi, Mumbai, ये सब जगह में this has become a very common concept.
Okay.
कि stylist को hire करो, अपना काम करवा दो.
Wow.
Yes.
So you get clients from other cities also, or majorly from Pune?
I had a client who was from US but was residing in Mumbai.
Okay.
But उन्होंने तब मुझे बोला था कि आप शॉपिंग करने के लिए मुंबई आ जाओ. बट आई हैड टोल्ड देम कि मुंबई में घूम के आपको वही मिलने वाला है जो अभी पुणे में भी मिल जाता है. सो द क्लाइंट हैड कम फ्रॉम बॉम्बे टू पुणे टू जस्ट शॉप फ्रॉम हियर. सो अलग अलग टाइप के लोग हैं, अलग अलग टाइप की चीजें होती है. बट येस, वी आर ओपन टू गोइंग टू बॉम्बे एंड डूइंग शॉपिंग फॉर पीपल. बट पीपल वांट द शॉपर टू बी देयर. सो लोग भी आ जाते हैं कभी कभी करने के लिए शॉपिंग यहाँ पे.
Pali, your job is like really very fascinating and very different, and I would say it makes many people's job better. Like if one is a fashion designer and one is somebody who is giving some accessories, or a makeup artist doing the makeup and hair, and if you come in between and design the entire look, I think everybody will get benefited.
Yes.
Because everybody's job will look much better than what it normally look like, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of advice do you want to give it to people who are getting married in coming few months, if they don't want to hire, let's say, a fashion stylist? So what is the few advice which you can give them which will make their look much better than normal?
So basically coordinated outfits, as I said, कि outfits coordinate करो bride और groom के, so that when the pictures come out they will look much better. Secondly, jewelry coordinated रखो, because a lot of time a small mistake that people do is कि gown के ऊपर कुंदन पहन लेते हैं. When a gown is a very evening attire जिसके ऊपर work अलग रहता है, तो diamond की jewelry ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. When you are doing a lehenga, you should see the work that is done on the lehenga and choose jewelry accordingly. क्योंकि बहुत बार लोग इसमें ही major गड़बड़ कर देते हैं कि the jewelry is not coordinated. और jewelry की quality is the second thing. कि if you do not want to buy real gold, make sure that you buy quality jewelry sets. क्योंकि वो एक चीज की गड़बड़ की वजह से पूरा look बहुत खराब लग सकता है. So mainly jewelry coordination with the outfits is very important.
Very important.
Yes. उसके अलावा major mistakes no one does, but this is one mistake that I have seen a lot of people when usually when you are scrolling through Instagram and you see a lot of brides, तो इस चीज में गड़बड़ बहुत होती है लोगों की.
Okay. And for example, if somebody is getting married in summers, what kind of advice do you want to give it to that bride and groom both?
Actually कैसे होता है कि the clothes that are there in wedding, वो winter हो या summer हो, outfits तो similar ही होते हैं.
Okay.
The only difference that happens is the colors. कि summer में थोड़े bright colors आते हैं and winters में जैसे हम जाते हैं थोड़े dark colors आना शुरू हो जाता है. But apart from that, mostly the silhouettes and everything that come in weddings, वो typically change नहीं होते. So I think lighter colors for summers look much better, and for winters the darker colors.
Darker colors.
Yeah.
So and how do when you anyone who has come to you who is not a bride and groom, not the family, but somebody who maybe a cousin or a good friend, and they are attending somebody's wedding and they want you to style them.
ऐसे बहुत लोगों का किया है.
Oh wow.
Because we do not just style the bride and groom for the wedding, we do friends, family, सबके लिए करते हैं हम लोग. I have clients coming and saying कि हम friends के weddings attend कर रहे, तो they want to be styled for that. Okay. So this is not styling restricted to the bride and groom, but okay, anyone who's attending the wedding also falls into this category.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay. And any celebrity have you styled?
I have styled a lot of Maharashtrian celebrities.
Oh wow.
Marathi celebrities. I have done styling for Akshay Devdhar. I have done styling for Abhinaya Bhave, which were trending for a long time. Because अलग-अलग styling किया था उस time पे.
So it was their wedding or it was?
Yes, it was their wedding.
Oh, so for wedding you have done.
Yes.
And apart from wedding, have you styled anybody?
I styled a lot of celebrities.
Oh.
But again, since I'm in Pune and the Maharashtrian crowd is a lot, I've done a lot of Marathi celebrities.
Marathi sir.
Yes.
Oh, great. Very good. So how do you feel that this, how do you feel that this particular field, which is evolving now, has a future for 10 years or 20 years? How do you think that?
Because I have seen this industry grow a lot in the last 10 years. When I started working, literally stylist मतलब कौन होता है क्या होता है ये बिल्कुल पता नहीं था किसी को. But over 10 years, I have seen this field grow a lot. And I see a future for it because जो 10 years में growth हुआ है, उससे ज़्यादा तो होने ही वाला है.
Definitely.
Yes, because now people want to, hire someone who can make their work a little less.
Correct. So obviously ये particular field तो definitely आगे जाके और grow होगा ही होगा. But what do you see कि कहाँ पे आप अपने आप को देखते हो कि उसके बाद में लोग अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में भी आपको पूछेंगे या कैसे आपको लगता है?
I have styling for people in day to day life also.
Oh wow.
Yes, so I do personal styling also for people. कि this field has grown especially more after the lockdown.
Okay.
क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में लोगों को घर पे बैठ के वर्क फ्रॉम होम करने की आदत थी. Now when people have started going out, तो उनको ये क्वेश्चन बहुत होता है कि क्या पहनना है. That is a big question that people have started facing कि मतलब क्या पहनना है रोज ऑफिस जाते टाइम. So people are also, they want to go out, they want to look good, they want to, try to change the style that they have. या उनको पता नहीं है कि क्या पहनना है. And they have become more aware कि, ये चीज करनी चाहिए. They want to look more presentable, they want to feel good. तो personal styling, day-to-day styling भी has started growing a lot now.
Okay. So, आपके पास में कुछ ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम ऐसे भी आते हैं जो आपसे बैचलरेट के बारे में पूछते हैं या हनीमून पे क्या लेके जाना है?
Yes.
या ऐसा कुछ?
We have done everything. मतलब from the pre-wedding to the post-wedding हमने सब स्टाइलिंग करके दिया. From trousseau also. मतलब trousseau जो शादी के बाद पूजा होते हैं या रिचुअल्स होते हैं, फर्स्ट फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, तो उन सब का भी हमने स्टाइलिंग करके दिया है.
Oh, even about honeymoon?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So for both bride and groom?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good thing. Like, people are, because this is something which is, which shows that, people are more careful or, more open for their own, how they look,
Yes.
how they carry themselves. So it's like they are more open and they are more careful about it.
Yes, क्योंकि आज का सोशल मीडिया की वजह से everyone has eyes on, what people are doing. So everyone at some point they want to look good, they want to do, something different. या पहले से ज्यादा उनकी पर्सनालिटी और अच्छी लगे. एंड देन दीज आर द वेडिंग तो खैर मतलब बहुत ही बड़ा इवेंट है लोगों के लाइफ में. सो आई थिंक पीपल वांट टू look better than what they usually do.
Okay, so if I want to ask you in very small brief that what all things for a bride and groom you can do, like starting from their hair to whatever. So how do you tell it to your client ki, okay, if I am there, this is what I will do. In just 30 seconds, if I want to ask you.
If I am there, your job will be done in 15 days.
Okay.
That is the easiest way I can tell them. क्योंकि सब रेडी मिल जाता है उनको कि उनको रेफरेंसिंग नहीं करना पड़ता, उनको देखना नहीं पड़ता कि क्या करना है. Once you hire me, there is a complete guidance कि आपको ये आपका vision is going to be a reality.
Okay, so even you guide them in what kind of haircut you want to they should get it done, what kind of as you said, like accessories obviously you said, and the makeup also. The makeup artist will tell, but you guide them.
I do guide them क्योंकि usually wedding के पहले we do not suggest brides to cut their hair क्योंकि वो लॉन्ग और जितने रॉ होते हैं उतना हेयर स्टाइल ज्यादा बेटर होता है उसमें. सो वी डू नॉट सजेस्ट देम टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ हेयर ट्रीटमेंट्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर कलरिंग क्योंकि हेयर कलरिंग की वजह से हेयर स्टाइलिंग ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. सो वी द ओनली थिंग वी सजेस्ट देम बिफोर द वेडिंग इन कंसर्न्स ऑफ हेयर इज कि हेयर कलर कराओ. या
ग्रेट.
Yes.
I think it was lovely chatting with you.
Same.
And it was very insightful for me also, because being in this industry, wedding industry from last 15 years, I think I'm meeting very few people like you who are into fashion styling, and you're one of them who are like very few I have met. So that's really great, and I think our viewers also will understand this, and they will also try to reach out to you or people like you who are who are in this field. Okay, one last question. I think before we close this. So, like if somebody wants to hire a good wedding stylist, fashion stylist for their wedding, obviously not everybody can reach out to you. You can't do everybody's job. So how they should select? What should be the selection process to get a best wedding stylist for them?
So basically, कोई भी stylist hire करने से पहले, it is better you talk to the person and make sure that that person is understanding your vision. तो एक बार stylist को और आपका vision same page पे है, it is easier for you to go ahead with the things. And that is the only thing one should look for, क्योंकि vision same होना is very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये content किसी के लिए important है, please share with them. And in case if you want us to cover a specific topic or content, please comment below. Thank you.